Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel. In our previous tutorial we explained how to install TeXstudio and how to use LaTeX in Linux Ubuntu. In this tutorial we explain how to uninstall TeXstudio in Linux Ubuntu. But the main question is, why do we need to uninstall TeXstudio? Well, it might happen that you will have to uninstall TeXstudio and start installation from scratch. Namely, some packages might not work or something might go wrong and you would like to uninstall it. So let's learn how to do it. Okay, the first step is to erase the AppImage file and the corresponding folder. So let's open a terminal by clicking here and searching for terminal and click over here. I will use a different route. To start terminal, I will simply click here and I will press new window. Okay, the next step is to locate the folder containing the AppImage file. Namely, if you followed my previous tutorial, whose link will be given in the description below, I installed TeXstudio in a folder in my home. So let's go to home and let's do this to find the corresponding folder, and here it is. So let's go to that folder and make sure that the file is over there. Okay, good, here it is. We need to erase this file. To erase this file, simply go back to the home folder and you need to erase the complete folder or directory, TeXstudio, and we need to use rm/rfv, and that's it. Bang. That's it. Perfect. However, the story doesn't end here. If you closely followed my previous tutorial, you should see that we also created a shortcut file, and this shortcut file is actually located, it's located in this folder over here, local share applications, and you should see this file, TeXstudio desktop. Good. So let's erase this file. There are several ways to erase this file, and maybe the easiest way is to simply type this. When I'm erasing files, you will notice that I like to specify the complete path to the folder. Let me just minimize this for a second, such that you can see what I'm typing, and let me expand this. I will execute this command. I always like to give a full path, and that's it. And let's see the file. Does it exist? Perfect. Doesn't exist anymore. However, the story doesn't end here. Although we use basically the AppImage file, which is just kind of a binary file and doesn't change the system too much, this file will still save the configuration, and we need to erase that configuration folder. Just for illustration, let me show you where the configuration of app images and similar applications are stored. They're stored in this config folder, so if you type this, you should see the folder called config. And if you go to that folder, you should see a bunch of files and folders containing configurations. So you can see over here that there will be a folder, TeXstudio. Aha, here it is. So let's go to this folder and make sure that there's something there, that is their configuration files, and here they are. Okay, so we need to erase this folder. To do that, simply find the path. Here it is, and you can simply type rm/rfv, and then you can simply specify the path to the complete folder, and here it is. And this should completely erase everything related to TeXstudio. Now, I would like to perform one final check. For that purpose, make sure that you're in the home folder, and what I will do right now, I will install plocate. Plocate is a very useful search tool for searching files and folders in Linux systems. So let's install plocate, and let's update the plocate database. And after that, let's type this to search for any file or folder containing the name TeXstudio. And let's see what happens. Okay, Apparently we still have some files and folders containing TeXstudio name in their name. Okay, this is very important and we need to erase some of these files. Okay, so let's analyze what's happening. I have actually in the trash folder over here two files, AppImage of TeXstudio and another one, so I will not touch them since they are already in the trash. Then over here on my desktop folder I have TeXstudio Uninstall. Well, I created a folder for recording this video and here's the file, video file. I'm not going to touch this. Then I have this file in the downloads folder and I would like to uninstall it, or better to say to erase it. Then in the snap folders I would like to erase these two files and I would also like to erase these files over here. Okay, so let's start with this file. That is the file that I downloaded, so let's do it and let's type it like this, rmv and the name of the file. So let's erase it. Okay, then let's erase this file over here, this image file. So let's simply type rmv and the name of that file. So let's continue now with this file over here, rmv and the name of the file. And then let's erase this png file by again rmv and the png file name. And yes, and here you actually need to do sudo. This is very important. Since you're erasing files from a folder that's under the administrator rights, and consequently let's erase this file. So we will simply do this and then we will again here type sudo rm with an option v and this file, and that's it. Now let's make sure that there are no additional files. First of all, let's update the database of plocate, and then let's simply search again plocate TeXstudio to make sure there are no remains, and here it is. Okay, I didn't erase these two files, so let's erase them since I had probably didn't have the administrator rights. Sudo rmv and the name of this file, and then you can see here now this is read-only file system. Okay, let's stop here since these two files are actually not important. They are just svg files. These are the image files and they're not important. Okay, I think that's all for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons. And also, by the way, on my YouTube channel you have more than 700 free video tutorials covering different topics. For example, you have a lot of tutorials on robotics, robot operating system, control engineering, control theory, signal processing, machine learning, reinforcement learning, video editing, and similar tutorial. Okay, that's all, and see you in the next video tutorial.